Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Mitsubishi ASX LS, stock reference number 4547. This date runs from the 7th month 2013 through to the current model. It has a 4B11 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right front. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door has 1 small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors have right rear door has no damage, right front door has 1 small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and we also have the rear headrests. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.